Hey George, just wanted to give you a super quick update. Got a little silly animation in. This is the public experimental build that supports RP 2040. I've wired up an LCD and buttons in accordance with the badge schematic and just done this little test project here in MakeCode. And I had to jump through some hoops and reread a lot of email chains and GitHub help files, but eventually able to breadboard this up and get it to download using the UF2 bootloader. I did manage to find I have about, 8 of these ST7735 displays kicking around from years ago. I've managed to remember I had those and put one on this and wire it up according to the exact same pinout that you designed for the badge. So the hardware looks like everything's going to work just fine. Anyway, wanted to give you a quick update and some progress. And yeah, MakeCode Arcade is actually really fun and cool once you get it working. So a lot of question marks are out around targeting new hardware, but it's getting there. See ya.